We're going to talk a little bit about rigid motions and then look specifically at translations. Rigid motions keep the same size and shape of the object. So for example, if we have a triangle and we apply a rigid motion to it, then the position might be different, but it's still going to have the same exact shape and it's going to have the same exact size. So a dilation where you're stretching it in all directions, or a transformation where you're stretching or shrinking, that would not be considered a rigid motion. The three rigid motions are translations, reflections, and rotations. And we are going to look specifically at translations in this video. In this example, we want to translate the triangle left 3 and up 1. So we're going to shift every point left 3 units and up 1. So A, we're going to shift it 1, 2, 3 left and up 1, and it's going to be here. B is going to go left 3 and up 1, now it's going to be here. And C will go left 3 and up 1, and it's going to be here. So our new points are, we'll call that A prime, B prime, and C prime. And if you want to write the coordinate rule, our old X and Y values, let's look at B for example. B was 1, 4, and now B prime is -2, 5. So what we did was we had the old X value and then we subtracted 3 because we went left 3. And then we had the old Y value, but then we shifted up 1. Another way of writing this is like a vector. So you can write that as -3, 1, meaning we went left 3 and up 1. And that's translation.